Bernoulli's principle. Along a streamlined flow of a non-viscous and an incompressible fluid, the sum of pressure, kinetic energy per unit volume, and potential energy per unit volume remains constant. For a horizontal flow of fluid, P plus of rho v square is a constant, which means at a point as speed of fluid increases, pressure decreases and vice versa. When air is blown in the gap between balls, instead of going away, they come closer. It is due to low pressure created by the blown air and the pressure on the sides being high, the balls come closer. It is amazing that one can hold the ball in the inverted funnel by just blowing air. It is due to Bernoulli's principle. Similarly, one cannot blow away the ball from the funnel however hard you blow from the bottom. It is due to Bernoulli's principle. We can reason out, isn't it?
I am using an air dryer with a cut bottle attached to it so that I have a constriction. Because of this constriction, the air given out by the air dryer at this point acquires high velocity.